this is Dr. Davis, and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to put your final project into a discussion forum. So here we have a previous student's write-up. The student had explained why he or she decided to do this paper, which was the Rogerian, and then here is a little paragraph explaining the rhetorical choices. Now if you were going to right-click on here, you would click on right here, wrap text. I always go with square, and if you notice, all the words will go around the photo. You can also lock it, fix it in position right there, and it won't move. I'm going to unlock it. And move it. And I'm going to take the write-up, and I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to go in here and hit create a thread. I'm just going to call it example for class, and I'm going to paste it in here. Then I'm going to go grab my photo right here. I'm just going to right click on it, hit copy, and then I'm going to take it here. You can make this box bigger if you want by dragging it. And then notice this little down chevron here. So if you click it, you have insert photo, and you can go into your files and browse and find the photo that you want and insert it. I'm going to cheat, and I'm just going to put it right here. I was going to do Control V. Well, guess what? It's not going to let me do that. So I'm just going to back up. I'm going to hit save a picture as. There's pictures of me. Haha. Example for class. And hit save. Don't laugh at my pictures. Then we're going to go here, and I'm going to hit insert. Browse my computer. Go to pictures. Where'd it go? Right there it is. And then I'm going to see if you can get it over here where you can see it. There's where it inserts it. Where it says appearance, I'm going to click this drop down box, and I'm going to hit to the right. It's going to move my photo to the right, and I want to give it 10 horizontal spaces. And then over here I'm going to click insert. Oh, it wants me to name it, but I'm not going to. And there it is. So I'm going to make it a big size. And if you right click on it, you can shrink it like that. Just, you know, your personal taste. And there it is. Bob's your uncle. And I'll come back and upload this video so you guys can see it. And I'm going to hit submit. And there's my example.